I've got LinkedIn on my left. I've got ChatGPT on my right. Let's help Petrus ask for that meeting. Hey, it's Alze Calhoun with Coveted Consultant. In today's case study, we're going to help a former client of mine, Petrus Cerna, craft a message in order to earn a meeting with Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Now, before Petrus grabs some random LinkedIn template and starts spamming Satya, there are some important questions we need to address. Petrus is on LinkedIn because he's trying to build a profitable network, and clearly part of that network is developing an audience of core clientele. And as he serves a couple of clients the right way, his business can double and triple appropriately. Now, there's an important reality check here. Not everyone's going to be a hot lead. Some people are going to know you and your services very, very well. Other people are not going to know you and your services as well. Still, sometimes it doesn't matter where someone is in the funnel. You just need to ask if you can help. You need to ask for the meeting. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to help Petrus practice asking for the meeting. So without any further ado, I've got LinkedIn on my left. I've got ChatGPT on my right. Let's help Petrus ask for that meeting. Now, if you come to ChatGPT in a hurry looking for the magic answer, you'll type in something like, I want a meeting with the CEO of Microsoft. What do I say? And what you'll get is a very true but generic response. Getting a meeting with the CEO of a large company like Microsoft can be quite challenging, etc., etc., etc. This doesn't tell you what to say. We're going to start with the much better prompt because the prompt is our way of giving clear instructions to ChatGPT. The prompt goes as follows. You are a LinkedIn expert. We are giving ChatGPT a core point of view. I offer .NET development services for technology executives. If you recall from Petrus's profile, that's exactly what he does. Please help me write a short message, 50 words maximum, to an existing connection on LinkedIn. This message has 3 paragraphs. Start the message with, most of my clients are asking. Highlight 2 problems they are probably facing right now that are also related to my expertise. State them in the form of a question, how can I? Ask if these issues resonate and if they would like to have a short meeting to discuss. Recommend a random weekday and time between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to speak. Use a conversational, down-to-earth, practical tone. I want to foster a grounded and relatable conversation. The final part of the prompt is also important. Please make sure you hear it. At the very end, challenge me with 2 reflective questions. Make reference to specific points mentioned and ask me if I reviewed them and prepared myself to dialogue accordingly. Here's some information about them. So now we have to give ChatGPT some information about our recipient, Satya. So I'm going to go to his LinkedIn profile. I'm going to scroll to his experience section. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here and view our output. Here's the output we get. Hey name, most of my clients are asking question 1 and question 2. I'm curious, do these resonate with you? If so, I'd like to have a short meeting to discuss. By the way, I noticed your involvement with the University of Chicago, Starbucks, etc. Looking forward to connecting. Best regards. First thing to notice that ChatGPT didn't finish responding to the prompt. Where are the reflective questions? That happens sometimes. So I had to follow up and ask a bit more directly. I said, these reflective questions are for me to make sure I am comfortable sending this message. Please revise. And then ChatGPT caught up. Look at these final reflective questions. Have you carefully considered the specific challenges faced by technology executives, particularly those dealing with solutions integrations and staying up to date with .NET advancements? Are you confident in your ability to discuss and offer solutions to the issues highlighted in the message? This is my sanity check. This is Petrus's sanity check. Making sure that before he sends this message, he is comfortable with the conversation this message will create. The version I would recommend to Petrus sounds like this. Good morning, Satya. Most of my clients are asking, how can I enhance my technology solutions while ensuring seamless integration? How can I keep up with the latest .NET advancements and make the most of them for my business? Do these issues resonate with you? If so, I'd love to have a short meeting to see if I can help. How about we connect Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern? Looking forward to connecting and finding ways to optimize your technology initiatives. Best, Petrus. In the end, Petrus needs to ask Satya for the meeting, and he needs language to do that. We use LinkedIn plus ChatGPT, and Satya's experience section of his profile gave us some context into the kinds of problems he's thinking about. Is this some magic message? No, because frankly, you can't make Satya respond. But what you can do is communicate consistently, appropriately, and professionally and leave the door open for when Satya is prepared to engage. Now, these tools are fun when you're playing with them one at a time. If you'd like to learn more about how AI and LinkedIn can work together, there's a free video right here. But if you're looking for an accelerator, I have a full workflow for you over here. This workflow is a 7-day workflow that combines the power of LinkedIn and the leverage of AI tools to help you get immediate momentum with your B2B consulting efforts.